I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This is where all controls live. Once done, tap Turn on Screen Time and select whether it's your iPhone or a child's device. You'll see Downtime and App Limits options. Enable them now to get immediate control. Make sure to set a screen time passcode if you want restrictions to stick. This step establishes the foundation, so later limits and schedules apply consistently across apps and device use. You now define how screen time behaves. Tap App Limits, choose categories or individual apps, and set daily limits in minutes or hours. Once limits are set, move to Downtime to schedule blocks when only allowed apps run, choose weekdays, weekends, or a custom pattern. Also configure Always Allowed so essential apps like phone or messages remain accessible. As you work, double-check which apps count toward limits and adjust limits to balance product. You finish by setting a screen time passcode so others can't alter limits. Pick a 4 to 6-digit code you'll remember. If you manage a child's device, enable family sharing and add the child's account to control settings remotely. Once configured, monitor usage reports and tweak limits over a few days. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, ensure iOS is updated, and confirm screen time is enabled on every device. These steps usually resolve sync or enforcement issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.